Okay, hello Dr. K. Today I will show you my homework 1.3. It's about Arduino and C sharp. Okay, so let's see the content. And it has purpose, significance. The second one is hardware connection and Arduino code and the C sharp WinFlow code and the system integration and the key takeaways always. Let's see the first part, purpose and significance. Okay, so and the code one segment one Arduino. The Arduino code serves as a foundational layer for environmental data compression. It directly interfaces with the DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor, performing real-time measurement of the surrounding environment. The responsibilities, the sensor interface uh, utilize the DHT library to communicate with the DHT11 sensor, reading raw temperature and humidity values, and the data formatting converts sensor reading into structure string format, especially temperature humidity for easy pressure and the serial transmission. Transmit format data straight into the PC via the serial port, establishing a communication bridge. And the code 2, segment 2, C sharp WinForm. The code segment operates on the PC, complementing the Arduino's functionality. Its primary role to receive the serial data transmitted by the Arduino, proceed and proceed to the user through an intuitive graphical user interface. The responsibility listen to the special common port temperature data string sent to the Arduino in real time, and the data precision split the received thread to extract distinct temperature and humidity numerical value. UI display dynamic dynamically update the WinFlow interface, show value in the separated carefully labeled text box. Then the learning and practical value. This project is a cornerstone for understanding IoT development, covering the full stack from hardware to software. It has cross knowledge area, embedded hardware, serial communication, cross-platform exchange, waveform UI, and it has education benefits such like practical sensor physical application, digital communication, uh, patrol and euro handling, and event-driven programming, painter, full stack system, um, architecture design. Okay, let's begin the second part, hardware connection. Um, we we should let the DHT11 sensor VCC to Arduino 5 volt power supply for sensor, and ground to Arduino ground, data to Arduino pin 2, data pin connected to digital pin 2, and connect to the computer USB. Okay, so the temperature, the DHT sensor technology specification, temperature measurement is range 0 to 50, and the humidity measurement is percent to 20% to 90%. Okay, so let's see the Arduino code deep. The library and configuration. We need the include the DHT sensor library. Import the DHT sensor driven library for sensor communication, and we need DHT pin and sensor configuration. Then let's see the setup function. The setup function runs once after Arduino rest on or powered on left before loop function. So the serial begin 9600 emitted UART since serial communication at 9600 beats per second. Then we see the min loop function. Mm, uh, the execute repeatedly after setup complete, creating the main program loop. Okay, then the Arduino implementation flow chart. Uh, the one power down rest and setup execution and main loop. Okay, then let's see the C# WinFlow code deep. The C# namespace and the serial port objective provide the serial port class for controlling serial port, handling I/O and pin states required for UI components like form, text box, and button. And next is from constructor initialization. Execute automatically when the application starts before the form is displayed, and automatically scan for the list of available comport on the host computer. Then the connect on the disconnect button logic. Use serial port 1 is open to determine correct state to target connection. Get pronet attempt to open update UI. Always use try catch for I/O operational. Then let's see the data reception and cross-thread UI update. So let's begin the implementation flow chart. You can see the chart on the left. Okay, the five part is system integration. So we need hardware prepare first and Arduino upload. So to the C# development and then we testing the software, then the system verification. Okay, then so the critical technological point. The one is zero parameter consistency. The two is DHT11 sampling interval. The third one is cross-thread UI updates. So the system intention possibility, the data logging, store theoretical data for long-term analysis, compliance reporting, and machine learning application. The threshold arting automatically notify users when temperature or humidity exceed predefined safe range for a proactive response, and the data visualization replace text-based display with the dynamic chart for intuitive trend visualization and pattern recognition. The key takeaways uh, you can see. Okay, so let's see the examination of achievement. Okay, that's all. Uh, thank you everyone.